the director exclaims. "We can't have sneezing during the play." A loud sneeze disrupts the lively play rehearsal.
Don't worry. We'll solve the sneeze mystery. Let's look for clues.
The crew begins their investigation, exploring every forgotten corner.
The sneezing gets worse near the flowers.
Sarah, do flowers make you sneeze? Yes. But I didn't want to ruin the play. We can use fake flowers instead.
A quick transformation unfolds as the old is replaced with creativity.
Thank you. Now I can be in the play.
Spark's collar tells the tale of a mystery solved.
Every mystery has a solution that helps everyone.